Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the near protocol charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. Now, the big reason why I love using this exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to sign up and trade crypto futures without KYC. So if you are from the US and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on the Blowfin exchange. So before I go ahead and we actually start talking about the current price action of Near Protocol, I just want to say real quick that this is not a price prediction video, okay? I do not do price prediction videos because I'm not a magician and I cannot see the future, all right? This is strictly a price analysis TA video, okay? So as we can clearly see right now what's going on within the total three overall altcoin market, we had a big green day yesterday, which was very, very nice. But we opened the current daily candle in the red and we started to retrace back down to the current support level of $558 billion, which is why a lot of these altcoins are also looking bearish right now as well. All right. Now, I fully expect that. I mean, obviously, Near has a very large community and also has a lot of very solid investors who are consistently buying and stacking more Near tokens into their wallets on a regular basis. And that is technically a good thing. So, realistically, what I want to be looking at here for this thing to start turning more and more bullish, what I could see happening here is, first of all, the first scenario that I've got going on here is if our current daily candle here on Near ends up closing below yesterday's daily opening, then I fully expect that we'll end up coming back down and coming down to the support level down here of $3.93. And if that does not hold, we will probably end up coming down to the next lower layer down here of $3.08, which is technically a bottom that we created right down here back in February of 2024. Well, this year. But what I could see happening here is obviously we're going to end up bouncing off of one of these two levels. All right. If things continue to stay bearish here and we close below yesterday's daily opening. All right. So if that is the case and we do end up coming down to this level of support down here, my guess is obviously we'll end up coming back up to retest this small minor layer of resistance that we've got here. And if that holds and we continue to gain momentum, we'll probably go up and test this layer of resistance right here of $4.91. Now, I expect that we'll have some resistance there, so we'll probably end up coming back down and retesting again this area of minor support down here. And if momentum is still there, we'll probably gain momentum and gain enough momentum to go straight through it and head up towards the next layer of resistance here at $5.73, all right? Because realistically, we want to start seeing some higher lows being created and kind of start seeing this whole thing go like this all the way up, all right? We want to continue to see higher and higher lows going all the way up to the upside, all right? So, and that is pretty much the same case as if it were to... as if the price were to drop down to the next layer of support as well. For instance, if this current layer of support doesn't hold right here at $3.93 down here, and we end up going down to $3.08, I fully expect that same exact scenario is going to happen. We'll end up bouncing and we'll start creating higher and higher lows going all the way back up. Kind of like we did right back in here in this uptrend right here, all right? We hit the very bottom down here, we created a higher low here, higher low here, higher low here, and we topped out right up here at $8.51. But realistically, that's what we want to see happening here, is these higher and higher lows being created all the way to the top, all right? Now, in a bearish scenario, let's say that this daily candle ends up closing below this daily candle, and we do end up coming down to the support level of 393. If this one doesn't hold, we've got support here at $3.08. I am definitely looking for that one to completely hold. Realistically, I do not see us going past $3.08 in a worst case scenario, unless, all right, now keep an eye on this here, okay? I do not see it going that low unless some kind of bad news ends up coming out and altcoins continue to take a major, more of a major deep dive than, what they've currently been dropping, all right? So in a bullish scenario, though, we want to see these daily candles continue to be higher and higher than the previous daily candles. And realistically, we want to see price action be above both the 20 period and the 50 period moving averages right here as well. All right. So guys, let's see here. Before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed this video and feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think the price of NEAR is going to go in the near future here. And hey guys, with that said, for those of you who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching, and I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.